Sanju, look how much people there in Jamaica now work. A whole heap of them miss pack up a fly girlfriend for go look work. And you have the audacity to want employ Asian for go where? For go do what? For go work where? Make them turn a 80 face then dilemma, sir. Them have time to pick up gun and fire shot. Make them stay there. You know, she say them black out all them prime minister from finna come in at the own country. So what you want them to come at Jamaica, come take over Jamaica with them rubbish. Make them turn a 80 with them nonsense. We as Jamaican tired of a lot of things. We tired of it. Everywhere you go, you walk, you pick up problem. Can't come at Jamaica for do what? Make them turn them face, them crosses, sir. Not bring them here. Nobody sorry for people. You're sorry for people too much. Who are sorry for you? Who are sorry for Jamaicans? Nobody now sorry for Jamaica. Now you don't see much gunshot at fire Jamaica. We can't take no more gunshot and Asian no do nothing more than work voodoo and fire gunshot. Unless a genocide they are planned for Jamaica, we don't know. A genocide they are planned for Jamaica, we don't know. Make sure no genocide they are planned, sir. Are you, Mr. Mark Golding? Now that you get yourself in line to enter the politics up front, me I beg your pilot project. We don't want no Asian, sir.